The structural biology of reptiles provides a window into the remarkable adaptations that have allowed these ancient creatures to thrive in diverse environments for over 300 million years. Reptiles, a group that includes snakes, lizards, turtles, crocodilians, and tuatara, are characterized by their unique body structures that support survival in habitats ranging from deserts and forests to freshwater and marine ecosystems. For students studying ecology, understanding the structural features of reptiles is key to appreciating their ecological roles and evolutionary significance. One of the most defining features of reptiles is their skin, which is covered in scales made of keratin. This tough, protective layer serves multiple functions, from reducing water loss in arid environments to providing a shield against predators and environmental hazards. The scales of reptiles are not just protective but often play a role in thermoregulation and camouflage. For example, the vibrant, shifting colors of chameleons are facilitated by specialized skin cells called chromatophores, which allow them to blend into their surroundings or communicate with other chameleons. In the desert, the textured scales of lizards like the thorny devil help them collect and channel water directly to their mouths, highlighting the incredible adaptability of reptilian skin. The skeletal system of reptiles is another fascinating aspect of their structural biology. Reptiles have a highly flexible axial skeleton, particularly in species like snakes, which can have over 200 vertebrae. This flexibility allows snakes to perform complex movements such as climbing, swimming, and constricting prey. In contrast, turtles possess rigid shells, which are modified parts of their skeleton, including their ribcage and spine. The shell provides unparalleled protection and reflects a unique evolutionary path. Crocodilians, with their robust skulls and muscular tails, are built for ambush hunting, using their powerful jaws and streamlined bodies to dominate aquatic ecosystems. These skeletal adaptations underline the diversity in reptilian forms and their connection to ecological niches. Reptilian respiration is also a key area of study in their structural biology. Unlike mammals and birds, which use a diaphragm to aid in breathing, reptiles rely on the movement of their rib cage to expand and contract their lungs. In turtles, this poses a unique challenge due to their rigid shells. To overcome this, turtles use specialized muscles to circulate air through their lungs. Crocodilians have developed a more advanced system, featuring a hepatic piston mechanism, where muscles connected to the liver pull it back to create space for lung expansion. These respiratory adaptations highlight the evolutionary ingenuity of reptiles, enabling them to survive in diverse habitats. Reptiles are ectothermic, or cold-blooded, which means they rely on external heat sources to regulate their body temperature. This ectothermy is supported by various structural and behavioral adaptations. For instance, many reptiles bask in the sun to absorb heat, a behavior facilitated by their dark, heat-absorbing scales. Desert reptiles, like the Gila monster, minimize heat absorption by adopting lighter coloration. The ectothermic nature of reptiles is a crucial ecological principle, as it shapes their activity patterns, energy use, and interactions within food webs. The structural biology of reptilian limbs and locomotion is equally fascinating. Most reptiles are quadrupedal, with strong limbs adapted for climbing, running, or digging. Lizards, such as geckos, have adhesive toe pads that allow them to climb smooth surfaces, while burrowing reptiles like skinks possess short, stout limbs designed for moving through soil. In snakes, the absence of limbs has led to specialized modes of movement, such as slithering and sidewinding, which are highly efficient for their environments. Sea turtles, with their flipper-like limbs, are perfectly adapted for swimming vast distances in the ocean. These locomotor adaptations reflect the incredible diversity of reptilian lifestyles. Reptilian sensory systems are another critical component of their structural biology. Many reptiles, such as snakes, have evolved specialized organs to detect environmental cues. The Jacobson's organ, located in the roof of the mouth, allows snakes to taste the air and locate prey. Pit vipers, such as rattlesnakes, possess heat-sensitive pits that can detect the body heat of warm-blooded prey, even in complete darkness. Geckos, with their large, lidless eyes, excel at night vision, making them formidable nocturnal hunters. These sensory adaptations illustrate the role of structural biology in predator-prey dynamics and ecological interactions. Reptilian reproduction also showcases fascinating structural adaptations. Most reptiles are oviparous, laying eggs with tough, leathery shells that protect embryos from dehydration. Crocodilians and some turtles exhibit parental care, with mothers guarding nests and even assisting hatchlings in reaching water. Some species, such as certain snakes and lizards, are ovoviviparous or viviparous, giving birth to live young. These reproductive strategies ensure the survival of offspring in varying ecological conditions, demonstrating the evolutionary success of reptiles. Finally, the structural biology of reptiles is deeply tied to their ecological roles as predators, prey, and keystone species. As predators, reptiles like snakes and crocodiles control populations of rodents, fish, and other prey species, maintaining balance in ecosystems. As prey, their tough scales and ability to regenerate tails in lizards make them challenging targets for predators. In island ecosystems, reptiles often fill unique niches, such as seed dispersers or primary herbivores, playing critical roles in the health of their habitats. In summary, the structural biology of reptiles reveals a story of resilience, diversity, and adaptation. From their scaly armor and flexible skeletons to their advanced sensory systems and reproductive strategies, reptiles demonstrate the intricate connections between form, function, and ecology. For students of ecology, understanding these structures provides insight into how reptiles have survived for millions of years and continue to play vital roles in ecosystems worldwide. Whether you're studying a gecko's adhesive feet, a snake's heat-sensing pits, or a turtle's protective shell, the structural biology of reptiles is a masterclass in evolutionary ingenuity and ecological significance.